So imagine this for a second, you're holding something as powerful as an iPad Pro, but it's so compact it fits perfectly in one hand. Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what Apple might be planning with the iPad mini 8 in 2026. For years, the iPad mini has been loved by fans, but Apple never really pushed it forward. Updates were small, design stayed the same, and it slowly started to feel a bit outdated compared to the rest of the lineup. But now, that's finally changing. According to multiple leaks and reports, Apple is preparing a major upgrade that could turn the iPad mini into a true premium device. We are talking about an OLED display, a powerful A19 Pro chip, upgraded speakers, and even possible water resistance. So if you're thinking about buying a tablet soon, you might want to wait. This could easily become one of the best compact tablets of 2026. Now, before we get into what's coming, let's quickly look at the current model. The iPad mini 7 launched in 2024 with the A17 Pro chip and Apple Intelligence support. And while it was powerful, the rest of the experience felt safe. The design didn't change. The display stayed LCD. And there wasn't really anything that felt like a major leap forward. That's exactly why the iPad mini 8 matters so much. The biggest upgrade is the display. For the first time ever, Apple is expected to bring OLED technology to the iPad mini. And this is a huge deal. OLED means deeper blacks, richer colors, and a much more premium viewing experience overall. Everything from movies to gaming to everyday scrolling will look noticeably better. On top of that, the screen could grow slightly from 8.3 inches to around 8.7 inches, thanks to thinner bezels. So you get more display without increasing the size of the device. Now, about refresh rate, this is where things get a bit uncertain. Right now, the mini is still stuck at 60 Hz. And while many people are hoping for 120 Hz promotion, Apple might keep it at 60 Hz to maintain a clear gap between the mini and the Pro models. It's a bit disappointing, but even with that limitation, OLED alone would still make a massive difference in smoothness and feel. Now let's talk performance, because this is where things get serious. The iPad mini 8 is expected to feature the A19 Pro chip, the same class of processor used in Apple's latest devices. That means fast performance, smooth multitasking, and serious gaming power packed into a tiny device. You'll be able to edit videos, run heavy apps, and even handle AI features without slowdowns. For something this small, that level of power is honestly impressive. But one of the most interesting rumors is the speaker system. Apple is reportedly working on a new design with no visible speaker holes or grills. Instead, the sound would come through vibrations across the body of the device itself. And that leads to another big benefit: durability. If Apple removes speaker openings, the device becomes much easier to seal, which could finally bring water resistance to the iPad mini lineup for the first time. Of course, all these upgrades won't come cheap. The current iPad mini starts around $499, but the new model could jump to around $599. It's more expensive, but at that point, it's no longer just a small tablet, it's basically a compact iPad Pro in your hand. As for release timing, most leaks point toward a late 2026 launch, so there's still some waiting ahead. But overall, this could be one of the biggest upgrades Apple has ever made to the mini lineup. OLED display, A19 Pro performance, redesigned audio system, and better durability, it's exactly what this device has been missing for years. So the real question is, would you actually buy the iPad mini 8? And do you think these upgrades justify the price increase? Let me know what you think.